Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews doing another video today, and yes, I have this UAG case. It's actually their Plasma Edition series, whatever you want to call it, to review. But before I get into the review, check this out. Okay everyone, so you're looking for a case for your Galaxy S9 Plus. I have one right in front of me that you may want to pick up. It's actually from Urban Armor Gear. It's their Plasma Edition. We're going to go ahead and review this really quick. But yeah, I mean, if you definitely want to pick this up, I will have the link in the description. But just first off, I mean, look at the presentation. It says drop, tested, approved. Also, it's triple layer protection. And then also, look at that. Bam, look at that. I mean, just the presentation is great. It has all these other things on there. It's triple layered. So that's enough about me, about the box. Let's get into the case itself. But this case will protect your phone, I mean, from drops. And it looks pretty stylish too. But look, it has a little honeycomb design. Little UAG branding. Look in the inside here too, honeycomb too. But let's check out the case itself. So you have your Vine rockers. Again, they have a Ridge Bixby button. Then also on the bottom, you have your cutouts for the headphone jack, the USB Type-C, and then the microphone and speaker are cut out in the same. Look at these corner protections, man. You drop your phone, you hit the corner, nothing's going to happen to it. You have your power button here. Look at that. Nice and ridged too, so you can find it easily. You have your microphone, then also the camera cutouts. But let's see how this one fits into your phone. I mean, the phone fits into it. You heard that snap? All right, so first couple things I always like to do on my reviews is look at the lip on there. So again, man, you don't have to worry about hitting your display. Again, you can see the display coming out from the bottom. Also the camera, look at the camera hub. Again, you drop it, you don't have to worry about knocking off that dual aperture lens right there. But let's check the power buttons. So again, if you get a case and the power button doesn't work, then, look, it works. It's easy to find. I'm not going to do Bixby, again, because I have it turned off. But the Vine rockers work. Very important. Turn this off. Let it vibrate. Then let's check out the cutouts. Bam, look at that. That blue and the black looks great, don't it? I think so. Then look at the back, too. Man. Look at the bottom, the speaker, the microphone, the USB Type-C, and headphone jack. They all match up. Looks like a great case. Man, I might be rocking with this one for a while too. You never can have enough cases, y'all. Buy a couple of them. Like I said, look at my channel. You will have a couple case reviews on there. But this one you may definitely want to pick up. Again, I will have the link in the description. That way, if you want to pick it up, hey, go ahead and do it. Again, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Hit that subscribe button. Hit the notification button. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. And any comments y'all have, leave them in the comment section, please. I will try to answer or say thank you. Whatever y'all have, put them in the comments. But until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day now.